Heartland Alliance International is always seeking to work with those people who've been forgotten by others. So we're looking for the most marginalized, the most vulnerable, those who simply aren't being served, and bringing them into the mainstream, bringing them into our programming, empowering them, and inviting them to be leaders and advocates for themselves.
We look at women that have been victims of sexual violence and sexual torture. We look at children that have been separated from their families during the displacement process. We work with the LGBT community who are not only at risk in their countries from where they're fleeing, but also within the refugee population.
Heartland Alliance is working to increase access to HIV prevention commodities like condoms, lubricants, promoting safer sexual behaviors.
We work in South Kivu province in 6 mining sites to look at human rights violations for mining workers. And we're also working with ministries in the government to focus on the National Action Plan for Human Trafficking in Burundi.
We're implementing a program targeting at-risk adolescents between 15 and 18 in the metropolitan area of Monterrey, and focusing on youth who we believe are the future.
Notre action en Côte d'Ivoire consiste à renforcer les capacités des personnes même qui sont les personnes cibles à pouvoir participer à l'éradication, sinon à la réduction de l'impact du VIH/SIDA dans leur propre communauté.
We are unique in that we typically have programs that provide a holistic approach, providing legal services for those who are in vulnerable situations, and also providing mental health services for survivors of torture and other trauma.
Heartland Alliance is unique. It's unique in that it combines a service-based perspective within the context of a human rights commitment. We serve individuals in dire need, but while we are providing those services, we are simultaneously committed to building a future in which their human rights will be realized.